Good afternoon once again, my dear students.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta. We discussed, right? We discussed about I showed you pictures, right, of Niagara Falls, Thames, right? The river Thames is in London. We discussed this, right? Some points I didn't tell you about Niagara Falls. I'm going to tell you now. Okay, we just saw the picture, right? I have to tell you some points. So is Niagara Falls, I have a question for you. Is Niagara Falls only one waterfall? Is it only one? Can you see in the picture? Does it look like only one waterfall, single waterfall, or it is more than one? Are you listening? Inaya, Azha, can you see in the picture, beta? This is waterfall, right? Can you see the water flowing from here? Yes. Can you see the water flowing? Azha and Inaya? Inaya? Azha? Yes, very good. Because can you see the water flowing from here? The water is flowing, right? Can you see here? Water is flowing, right? From upwards to down. So this is not a single waterfall. It is a Niagara Falls is a collection of waterfalls. मतलब बहुत से waterfalls है, right? The three waterfalls that are there. Okay, what are the three waterfalls? They are named as American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Canadian Falls. Okay, these are the three falls, waterfalls that are in the Niagara Falls. Okay, so it is not a single waterfall, but it is a collection of waterfalls. Okay, and one more interesting fact about this place is you already know that it is in Canada, right? Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, we were discussing now about Niagara Falls, beta Ifra. Yes. So, I asked whether Niagara Falls is a single waterfall. So, your friend Azha replied that no, no, it is not a single waterfall. Yes, she replied correctly. Very good, mashallah. It is not a single waterfall. Can you see in the picture, beta? Water is flowing from many sides, right? From this side, yes, here. So the water is flowing. So it is a collection of falls, beta. Okay, collection of waterfalls. So the three waterfalls that are there in Niagara River. Okay, what are they, beta? They are named as American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Canadian Falls. Okay, so these are, can you see in the picture? Okay, so the three falls are there in only one, beta. Okay, the Niagara Falls is a collection. Okay, बहुत सारे waterfalls है इसमें, सिर्फ एक नहीं है. Okay, three waterfalls are there. Okay, and it is also, did you know one point, important point, that 20%, how many percent? 20% of the United States drinking water comes from this Niagara Falls. Did you know this fact? No, right? Yes. So do you know now? 20%. How much water comes from the Niagara Falls?
20%.
Very good. Drinking water. What is US, beta? United States of America, US. Okay, so 20% पानी कहाँ से आता है? US में Niagara Falls से supply होता है. Okay, so can we drink the water directly from this falls? No, right? Why? Because there may be some pollutant or bacteria, anything can be there. Okay, fishes, anything, the creatures which are there in the water, or dust, dirt, whatever is there, it can pollute the water, right? So first, before drinking the water, you have to purify the water. Okay, and it is also, yes, beta?
Canada, ma'am, Niagara Falls.
Yes. So Canada, this Niagara Falls, yes, beta, it is in Canada. I told you, right?
US क्या, ma'am?
So this Niagara Falls. This water goes to other places also, beta. Matlab, wait a minute. Can you in English? Okay. So Niagara River, okay, Niagara River, where all the three falls originate. I just now told you, right? Three falls are there: American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, Canadian Falls. Okay, these are the three waterfalls which originate from where? Niagara River. Okay, Niagara River से ये falls originate होते हैं, निकलते हैं. Okay, and from where does these falls receive water? From the Great Lakes, 4 Great Lakes. One of them we discussed, one of them we read yesterday, right? The pronunciation, Lake Michigan. Michigan we studied yesterday, right?
Yes.
Pronunciation, yes. So from it receives, these Niagara River receives water from 4 lakes, beta, 4 Great Lakes, which are Lake Superior, okay, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Erie. Okay, so these are the lakes from which the Niagara the Niagara Falls receives water. Okay, so it's a long concept, beta. The main thing that you have to understand is the main concept that all the water, river water, beta, okay, which water I'm talking about? River water empties into lakes. River का जो पानी होता है lakes में जाता है. Okay, yes, are you listening to me, beta? And yes, river is small, beta, okay, when compared to lakes. Lakes are very huge, and in the same way oceans are more huge. Okay, river, lake, ocean ऐसे होता है. Okay, river कैसा है? It is small. Lake is big when compared to river, and ocean is more big. Okay, and you have we have also read about one ocean, right? Pacific Ocean. Oceans are very famous, beta. Okay, ocean is very large water body, very big. Okay, we have heard about oceans, right? Have you heard about oceans in your science? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Yes, these are the common oceans, right, beta? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
Yes, yes, very good, beta. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So these are some of the oceans. Now, yes, so we have completed with Niagara Falls, right? Have you understood, beta, the concept that Niagara Falls? Yes, Niagara Falls सिर्फ एक waterfall नहीं है, बहुत सारे waterfalls है उसमें, collection of waterfalls. Okay, now next is Thames. We have discussed, right? The river Thames. Now you are going to tell me, yes, where is river Thames?
Bridge.
Very good, in London. Okay, yes, it is on the banks of, the bridge stands on river Thames. The London Bridge stands on river Thames. Yes, very good. And it is also the longest river. Yes, longest river in England. Okay, England में longest river है. Okay, England, what is England? England is a country, right? And London is the capital of England. Okay, don't get confused. Why am I talking about England over here? Okay, London, England का capital क्या है बेटा? What is the capital of England? London. Okay,
London.
very good. England क्या है? England is a country, beta. Okay, like don't get confused, beta. Like India. Okay, India is there. In India we have Hyderabad, right? Many cities like Khammam or other cities, Sikandrabad. In the same way, England is a country where we have London and other countries, other cities, other places. Okay, yes. So have you understood what I was trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now next is
Yellow River.
yes. Yes. We have discussed yesterday about Yellow River, right? Where is it? Is it in India or China?
China.
Very good. Yellow River. The Yellow River is in China, and it is second longest river in China. Okay, it is the second longest river, beta. Okay, can you see over here how much long it is? It is very long, right? Yes. Yes, in the picture it is not visible, beta, but it is very long, okay? Beyond the picture, okay? In the picture, the whole river is not visible, but it is very long, okay? And yes, why it is known as Yellow River, beta? Because
What, ma'am?
why is the river known as yellow? Yellow River.
Sandal, ma'am.
Yes, excellent. Because of the sand, beta, okay? The sand, the water. Yes, the river
sand.
water carries sand particles,
sand.
silt, okay? Sand की वजह से the water color changes into brown, okay? Can you see here yellowish brown color, which gives the sand gives the color yellow to the river. Okay, so in China, this river is known as, I'm writing on the screen, Honghe. Okay, Honghe. So if any person, yes. So if anyone tells you, Chinese person asks you, show me where is Honghe River. So you should not get confused. What is, no, if anyone asks you what is Honghe River, so you should say Yellow River. Okay,
Yellow River.
Yes, Chinese में Yellow River को क्या बोलते हैं? Honghe, H-E-He. H-U-A-N-G, Hong.
I mean, it's Hong Kong, Hong Kong.
Very good, Honghe. Now next, we have Mount Everest. Yes?
Mount Everest.
Yes. Before we go to Mount Everest, can you see these two people?
I am going, ma'am.
Can you see these two people, beta, in the picture? Who are they? Yes. Now let's read out their name. Edmund, A-E-D-M-U-N-D, Edmund Hillary. Hillary. Hillary.
Hillary.
And Tenzing, T-E-N-Z-I-N-G, Tenzing, N-O-R-G-A-Y, Tenzing Norgay. So this person is Edmund Hillary and this person is Tenzing Norgay. Who are these two people, beta? Who are these people? These people are the first to climb Mount Everest. माउंट एवरेस्ट पे जो सबसे पहले चढ़े उनके नाम है ये एडमंड हिलरी एंड टेंजिंग नॉर्गे आर द टू पीपल हु क्लाइम्ड माउंट एवरेस्ट इन द ईयर 1953. Okay, 1953, 29th May. Okay, in which year, beta? Did they climb, beta? 1953. These two are the people who climbed the Mount Everest, and from where they belong to? Tenzing Norgay. This person, this man belongs to Nepal, and Edmund Hillary, as the name suggests, it is an English name, right? So he belongs to New Zealand. Okay, yes. So these two people are the first to climb Mount Everest. Can you see the picture over here? Yes, this is Mount Everest, beta. Can you see over here? This is Mount Everest. Yes, so these two people the first climb Mount Everest. Okay, and India, so we have, beta, from India, the first person from India who climbed Mount Everest, his name is Avtar Singh. What is his name? Avtar Singh. Yes. He's a Punjabi. Yes, as the name suggests, Avtar Singh. He's a Punjabi. He belongs to Punjab, India. Okay. So yes. So okay. Okay. So from India, just now we said, right? Avtar Singh, beta. Okay. Avtar Singh was the first Indian who climbed Mount Everest. Okay. He was the 16th person. Okay. So it means that before him, 15 persons climbed. 15 people climbed Mount Everest. Now let's see on map. Where is Mount Everest? Where is Mount Everest, my dear children, on the map? Can anyone show me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, show me where is Mount Everest? Where it is written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Excellent. Mashallah. Okay. Yes. So Mount Everest is over here, beta. Yes. Very good, beta. Excellent. Here. MT it is written, right? Mount Everest. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain, beta. Now stop scribbling, my dear students. Stop doing that. Thank you for showing. Jazakallah. Now listen to me. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain, beta. Okay. And it is in, can you see over here? Nepal-China border runs across it. Can you see over here? Here we have Mount Everest. Can you see over here? China and Nepal border. The Nepal border is over here. Okay. Not exactly. I'm just showing you on the map that what should I say? The Mount Everest. It is between the Nepal. Can you see over here? China and Nepal border ke cross karta hai. Okay. Yes. Are you getting my point, beta? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and it is very huge, beta. In the picture, we can't, you can't understand, but it is very, very huge. Mount Everest, बहुत ऊंचा है. We have read in the previous chapter about mountain and hill. Do you remember? Mountain और hill के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था, right? Hill को climb करना easy होता है, but mountain को climb करना easy होता है?
No, ma'am.
No, yes. Yes. So only few people have climbed Mount Everest. It is very difficult to climb and it is very cold out there, beta. Okay. People have to wear warm clothes, sweaters, jackets, and oxygen problem is also there. And many people also while climbing Mount Everest, those who have the willpower, some people also tried to climb Mount Everest and some people died also, okay, while climbing Mount Everest because it is not easy to climb it, okay, because it is very cold out there, Mount Everest, okay, so much snow, ice is there, you have to wear warm clothes, very temperature is very cold out there, so it is very difficult to climb also, and the weather conditions are also not favorable over there, so that's why only few people have climbed to the top of the Mount Everest. Now next, let's see. We have read yesterday. What is this?
The Dead Sea.
Very good. The Dead Sea. Now you will ask me, why is the name given to it Dead Sea? Because it is, can you see in the next picture over here? Can you see over here? It is, yes. Why it is known as Dead Sea, beta? Because it is so salty. Can you see salt? This white is salt, beta. Okay, salty. Okay, so the water is so salty that the fish and animals can't live in it. That is why it is known as Dead Sea. क्योंकि यहाँ पर फिशेस और एनिमल्स नहीं रह सकते ये पानी में, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी सॉल्टी, बहुत खारा पानी होता है. ओके, गॉट माई पॉइंट बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, one more point you can understand from this, that it is, what is it beta? It is a salt lake. Dead Sea is a salt lake. Yes, as the name suggests, what can we get from it? Sugar or salt?
Salt.
Yes, नमक यहाँ से मिलता है. Okay, salt मिलता है जो हम खाते हैं, right? So salt is obtained from this. Yes, and can you see over here? This is nothing but white. Can you see this mountains like small white? These are nothing but salt, beta. Okay, salt. Yes, so that is cleaned with machines, everything is done, then the final product comes to us in packet. Okay, Tata salt, whatever we have, okay, different types of salt that after cleaning many processes, it goes to many processes. Then we have the fine salt. Yes, the next is
Greater Himalayas.
yes, the Himalayas. Or okay, so Himalayas, what is Himalayas? It is again mountains, beta, okay, a mountain range, okay.
Greater Himalayas.
Yes, Greater Himalayas is a mountain range in Asia. Okay. Now let's see in the map, beta. Can you see, beta? Where is the Himalaya? Inaya, show me. Ifra showed me, right? If Inaya, Azha, anyone can show me? Other than Ifra? Yes, very good, Azha, very good. Very good, mashallah. Okay, Inaya, Ifra showed us where is Mount Everest. Now Azha showed us where is Himalayas. Yes, Inaya is also showing. Very good, Inaya. Okay, so can you see the green color portion over here, beta? This whole green color portion. Now stop, beta. Stop that. Okay, can you see the whole green color portion over here? Green color, beta. Yes, this whole is Himalayas, beta. Okay, not only this part, this whole जो भी हरा part आपको दिख रहा है ना, ये सब Himalayas है. Okay, this whole is Himalayas. So it can you see over here? It stretches to Nepal, other countries also, right? It stretches to Nepal, China, India, Pakistan तक भी जा रहा है ये Himalayas. Okay, I'll tell you the names of countries till where it is stretching. Stop doing that. Can you please stop doing that, beta? मत कीजिए मेरे बच्चे. ओके, प्यारी बेटी है ना, मत कीजिए वैसा. ओके, तो ये कहाँ तक जाता है बेटा? कौन सी कंट्रीज तक? कहाँ पर स्ट्रेच होता है? नेपाल, चाइना, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, भूटान. What happened to it? Okay. Okay, so we were speaking about this, right? So till where does it goes, beta? It stretches to which countries? Nepal. Can you see in the picture over here? Nepal. I'm sorry, let me show you. Nepal, China, Pakistan over here, India. Yes, India, Bhutan. Yes, where is Bhutan? Wait, I'll show you. Bhutan may be somewhere here only. Okay, maybe Bhutan is not over here. Wait a minute. It stretches to, yes, India, and it covers India, Nepal, China, Pakistan is there on that side. Bhutan also. Maybe Bhutan is not in this visible in this picture, beta, but it covers all these countries. It is very, very long mountain range. Okay, this is very famous, beta. Okay, Himalayas. So if anyone asks you what is Himalayas, what you should say? Himalayas is a
map, ma'am. It's a Ooty map.
Yes. What you should say, beta, if anyone asks you what is Himalayas, you should say Himalayas is a mountain range. Range क्यों कहा जाता है? Range क्यों कहा जाता है बेटा? Because it is very big, इसलिए range कहा जाता है. सिर्फ एक single mountain नहीं है, range है. And can you see over here? Mount Everest is also joining or connecting with the Himalayas. Can you see over here? Mount Everest and Himalayas are connected, beta. Okay. Yes. Have you understood, beta? And which countries does it cover?
Yes,
Nepal. Yes, Nepal, China, India, Pakistan, Bhutan. ये सब चीजें नेपाल को cover करता है. And how many kilometers? 4,60,000 kilometers. Okay. Is for whom? Which country? India. India has about, India में कितना portion आता है Himalayas का? 4,60,000 kilometers of the Himalayan portion comes in the country India. Yes? Yes, my dear children. Have you understood? 4,60,000 kilometers इतना हिस्सा हिमालयास का इंडिया की कंट्री में आता है. ओके बेटा? यस. तो सोचिए आप कितना बड़ा होगा? इतना बड़ा है. ओके, सो इट इज अ वेरी, yes, very good. Now let's see the next picture, beta. Do you have any doubts till here, until here? Yes. Now next is Alps.
The Alps.
Yes. Again, can you see over here what is Alps, beta? It is again mountain range. Yes, very good. As how you have shown it on the map. Yes, very good. Excellent. Okay. So can you see this portion, beta, over here? This light orange color portion. This whole is mountain Alps. Okay. So Alps again is the mountain range. Okay. Which, yes. And where does it stretches, beta? It stretches in these places. Can you see over here? Switzerland, France, Italy, Slovenia, Australia, and Liechtenstein. Okay, Liechtenstein. This place is known as Liechtenstein. Okay, so the Alps mountain range stretches in these places, beta, in these countries or places. Yes. Now let's see. Okay, I have only this one picture, right? I think so. Like Himalaya, have you seen just now? Like how we have seen Himalayas on the map, it is very huge. In the same way, this Alps is also very, very long, beta, highest mountain range. Okay, which lies in these places. Can you see here? Switzerland, France, Italy. ये सब जगहों में आता है. Okay, Europe. And how much kilometers, beta? It stretches about 1200 kilometers across these countries which are given in this picture. Switzerland, France, Italy, Slovenia, Australia, Liechtenstein. Okay, these places. Okay, yes. So with this, we have completed, Alhamdulillah, for discussing about some of these places, mountains, rivers, and lakes. We have discussed, Alhamdulillah. Okay. So next week, inshallah, we will be having class activity where you have to speak about yourself. Okay, for 1 minute or 2 minutes. It's up to you. Okay, and tell about yourself, which school you're studying, what is your name, and what things you like that. Okay, so that's it for today. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant afternoon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome, my dear children. Yes, Azha, I have a question to ask you, Azha. Azha Harman.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Did I stop?